Hello and welcome to another part on the BMW build. Today we're going to be swapping out the front wings and the bonnet. The new front wings just over here. The bonnet is in the shed, but I can't get the bonnet out because the shed is locked. But these are the new GTR, what were they? Who are they from? Matty Evans Racing on eBay. These are his V2 vented M3 GTR wings. They're a little rough around the edges, like some scratches, but that's just like surface scratches on the paint. A few rough edges a little bit, but they'll get painted, and I've got to trim out all these vents. Yeah, we're going to start off with stripping, I think, getting this broken ass dented passenger side wing off somehow. I can't actually move the car at the moment, so everything's being made a challenge. So I will tackle this side, then I'll walk you through on the other side. Right, so we've got the passenger side wing on. I have done a couple of things. I took the bonnet off ready to test fit the new one, and I've just installed some aero catchers on the front bumper. They're pretty basic, and that was a practice run. Got the standard wing on still. I've got to drill out the stud under here because that's rounded off. I snapped one of my Torx bits, but looking at the tops of the wings, you can definitely see the difference in the width. So I'm going to set up the tripod, well, drill out that stud, that bolt. You don't need to see how to do that. Then I'm going to take off that wing and start putting a new one on, which is a lot of fettling. That's currently sat inside the car. Yeah, let's get on with that.
Reading. You live on YouTube?
Yeah. Not quite live. It's not that condition here. It's not perfect, but it is better. And I don't have to take that plastic molding off for mine, because mine has different, the new one has different types. Yeah. That's one wing off. Test fitting the wing, I've been cutting the bottom part. I've just got to, fits a bit better than the other side. Just got to drill the holes, I think, then I can up mount that on. That'll be the wing on. Yeah, got a nice fitment down the bottom again. This is a bit differently sourced around this area because the other one I had to do a lot of trimming and it's very tight. This one's very loose. So I did get some bonnet vents for the bonnet, but they do not fit, so I've got to contact the seller to try again getting the appropriate vents. Got my aero catches on, quite happy with that. So that's a good amount of progress on the car. Need to get some weaker bonnet struts. That is coming together nicely. So I'll just tuck that in there. Oh, I just kneeled on my Dremel bit and broke that. This side I'll just zip tie on, but look at that. angry thing. The fitment is damn near brilliant. These wheels, well, this side's got a bit more positive camber. I've got to adjust the caster and all that. Got a few goodies to do. I'm quite happy with that result. Got the bonnet mounted, bumper mounted, wings on. I've noticed I've got more egg yolk in that bike than I have in that one, so I need to work out why that is. But yeah. So that's a not so great guide on how to install a front wing. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Don't pet a burning dog.